welcome back to Mrs. Toys' YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. So that means in this parallelogram over here, these little arrows are telling you that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. There's a bunch of important properties when it comes to parallelograms that you'll have to remember. First, opposite sides are parallel. Obviously, that's the definition. Opposite sides are also congruent, so they are the same length. So that means DC is congruent to AB, and AD is congruent to BC. Number 3, opposite angles are also congruent. So that means angle D is congruent to angle B, and angle A is congruent to angle C. So opposite things are congruent in these. Consecutive angles, remember consecutive means next to each other. So that would be AD, DC, CB, and BA. Those angles are supplementary, which remember that means they add to 180. And then we also know that diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals connect non-consecutive vertices. So that would be AC. So notice AE is congruent to EC because that's being bisected. And DE is congruent to EB. So that's what bisect means. That means split in half, right? All right, so let's look at some examples. We know angle T is 95. What is angle X? Well, we know that these are consecutive angles, which means they are supplementary. So if we take 180 minus 95, the measure of angle X is 85. Let's look at number 2. We know the measure of angle T is 65. What's the measure of angle V? Well, we know that they're equal. Opposite angles are equal, so 65. We know we're not going to stop there. Let's do some algebra. So here we know SR is 6 and we know TQ is 2x minus 4. Well, those are opposite sides. What do we know about opposite sides in a parallelogram? They are congruent. So 6 equals 2x minus 4. If we solve that, we'll get x equals 5. All right, let's use this same parallelogram, but let's pretend like we don't know what x is. And let's say that angle R is 2x minus 3, and angle Q is 3x minus 7. So now we're just kind of ignoring this. We're just using the same quadrilateral. Now let's solve for x. Well, we know that these are consecutive angles. We know consecutive angles are supplementary. So 2x minus 3 plus 3x minus 7 equals 180. Go ahead and pause that and solve for x. Welcome back. You should get x equals 38. All right, go ahead and pause this and try number 4 on your own. Welcome back. We know that we have opposite sides here. We know it's a parallelogram, so opposite sides are congruent. So 4x minus 3 equals 17. If we go ahead and solve for x, we will again get x equals 5. All right, that's it for today. See you next time.